Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, you guys, I don't know, just kidding. Get ready with me. I'm going to work. Of course, we need to work for our future. So, yes, and I am going to use my Norvina palette for the second time around, you guys. I love this palette. I'm going to use this to dye. So, I don't know what look I'm gonna go for. But I'm just gonna, I don't know, slap everything in my face and talk to you guys, see what I'm saying? When I do my makeup, I always go with my mood. You know, I have a mood like I'm into it. I want to snatch, I want to glow, I want to be like, you know, diva looking today, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I do. Actually, I already moisturized my face using my Innisfree. I'm going to spritz my face first with my Caudalie. I love this thing. And already done my brows because brows is a serious thing to do. You know what I'm saying? So yes. And I'm using my Hangover Too Faced for our primer. Working in Sephora is so much fun. My workmates are all amazing. And you know, when I first got into makeup, my dream to work at Sephora because who doesn't love Sephora? You know what I'm saying? Girl. So for my foundation, I am using my MAC Pro Longwear and NC44. This is how I do my foundation. If you want to see how I do my foundation routine, you guys, I have a video for that, so check that out. And I'm going to buff this in my face. Now this is F80 Sigma Kabuki. It's a good brush. Just gonna press this in our skin. Apply them evenly and nicely. Okay. I'm working till close today, so I need to make sure that this foundation will stay the whole night. And now I am using my sponge to buff this in my skin. Alright. And now for my concealer, I am using the Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Light Medium. This concealer is good. This nose needs some help. But I love that nose, you know. Love my curly hair today. Alright, and now I am setting that with my Laura Mercier. As I've said, I want some simple look and I don't know what to do, okay? Just bear with me, you guys. And you know, before I got this job, I searched about Sephora, how is work over there, you know, this kind of thing. Everything that I see on YouTube is all negative. I don't know why. It gives me like not to apply because of what I hear, you know, like what they say about Sephora. To be honest with you, in my Sephora that I work for, it's all good. Maybe the Sephora that they work for is not that good. Anyways, I don't know what look, but I'm just gonna slap this on my lid. So using Essence, I am using that on my transition. We're going to blend this. Sometimes if I don't plan my eyeshadow, it looks good. This color has a lot of fallout, but it's still blendable. Yes, our transition is good. And now I am using this color right here. It's called Soul. You know what? I'm gonna smoke this out. Like the half of my lids right here. Very pigmented. Lovely. So I decided to use this all over my lids. Because why not? Alright? And we're done. Just kidding. So for this side, I am using the volatile one. So using this brush, I will keep blending. Using the Love color right here, I'm going to put that here in the center. Okay, it's kind of messy, so don't worry about it. We're going to fix that. Just deepen up the color on the side. You know what? That's not dark enough. Now I'm using the Drama. This one. That's better. And bring that up here. Just packing this color over there. Alright, so now let me just go ahead and do the other side. We're gonna continue doing this side right here when I come back. Okay, so I'm back and this other eyes here are done. This one right here. And I decided not to put any falsies today because I don't feel like it. You know, you have those days that you don't want falsies. So I am wearing a mascara only for today. And now I am using my Sills Booster. This is an eyelash primer. I'm going to prime my eyelashes. Yes, you guys, we need to prime our eyelashes as well. So I'm letting my primer to get tacky, and now I am using my Smashbox Fishnet eyeliner. Okay, so using this drama right here on my bottom, right here. Okay, I am going to dust this fallout in my face right now. That's why I bake, because that eyeshadow falls out a little bit. To set my foundation, I am using this Janen Iredale powder. And I got this powder from Influencer. So for my mascara, I am using my Monsieur Mr. Big from Lancome. So later, I am going to curl my eyelash, but for now, let's move on to our contour. So to contour, I am using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. In our forehead. So yes. Now let's move on to our bronzer, and I'm using my Clinique, and this is a Sun Kissed. So for my blush, I am using my Milani, and this blush is Rose d'Oro. It has a little bit of shimmer, which is nice. I-blend natin, baka magmukha akong clown. So for my highlighter, I decided to use my Bronze Goddess, and this is from Estee Lauder. Ooh. Pack highlighter. For my lipstick, I decided to use this Jordana Sweet Cream liquid lipstick. I like this one. It's very inexpensive, but it's really good. I love it. Colorful and sweet at the same time. And I got me a cotton candy in my lips, like, ooh. So let me just go ahead and fix my hair and I'll be back. Hey, and I'm back, and as you guys can see, we had our makeup on, you know. It's fun, it's colorful, and it's so sweet. That is my vibe today, and I kind of like it how it turns out, I'm saying. So, no falsies because I don't want to. And as you guys can see, I have my curly hair. Yes, I use a crimper for this. It's my first time to use a crimper, and I'm loving it. I like my hair, you know what I'm saying? So yes, this is my real hair, as you guys can tell, you know, curly, sweet, and colorful. That is my feeling today, my vibe today. Thank you guys so much for joining my Get Ready With Me for work. Sometimes, like when you talk to the camera, it feels like crazy, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm doing this for y'all, and I love talking to you guys. But anyways, thank you guys all so much for watching. Thank you guys for listening to me, and please don't get tired. And if you like this video, please hit this thumbs up and give me some love, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's be friends, because why not, and be a member of my small family. And please turn on your notifications on for more videos from me, you know what I'm saying? So yes, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.